This comment was left on one of my videos, and I thought I was pretty curious. I wanted to try it. It said if you drop a battery on a hard surface on the negative side and it bounces, it's dead. A full charged battery just thuds and falls over. So me being curious, I had to give it a try. So I took the batteries here out of my blood pressure machine. It stopped working, and we placed it with some other batteries, and it still didn't work. So this is the battery we took out. I thought it was good. So we're going to try it. I'm going to drop it and see what happened. It did bounce. So it bounced twice. That means it's dead. So I put dead batteries back into my blood pressure machine. This is a fully charged battery. Wow. It did thud out. It did not bounce. Wow, so that means it's fully charged. So this battery right here is an old battery. See, it bounced twice. It keeps bouncing, so that means it's dead. So I actually put dead batteries back in there. So when I did replace it with these new batteries, it worked. You see, it did not even bounce. Wow, I didn't know this. I was curious, so I'm gonna try them both together. Amazing. Wow. So you don't need a voltmeter, just do this. You see, the good battery did not bounce. It just thugged out. Both of them together. Wow, you learn something every day. All right, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.